Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. Our lesson objective for today is I can decode words with a closed syllable pattern. So we're still working on skill 10. Okay. The first thing you need to know is what are my vowels? A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, my vowels make short vowel sounds and they make long vowel sounds. What are my short vowel sounds? A, E, I, A, U. What are my long vowel sounds? A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, you will need a whiteboard marker and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard marker and eraser. I'm going to have you write down 3 words, so make sure you have some room. Okay, let me grab my board. Okay, your first word is C. H-O-P-D-I-D. Okay, make sure your word is spelled correctly. I would like you to see if you can mark the vowels and divide your word before I do. Go. Okay, should look something like this. And if I go too fast and you need to pause me, go ahead and pause me. Okay. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed. Sound of my vowel, ah, syllable, chop. Okay, let's look at my second syllable. It is closed. Sound of my vowel, I, syllable, did. Whole word, chop did. Chop did. Okay, second word, here we go. P, R, I, M, P, F, O, M, S. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Mark your vowels and divide your word before me. Go for it. Okay, it should look something like this. All right, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed. Sound of my vowel, I, syllable, primp. Okay, let's look at our second syllable. It is closed. Sound of my vowel, ah, syllable, foms. Whole word, primp, foms. Primp, foms. Okay, last word. S, L, E, D, B, U, B, K, O, B, S. It's kind of a big one. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Mark your vowels and divide your word. Go for it. Okay, did you beat me? Should look something like this. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed. Sled. Let's look at our second syllable. It is closed. Bub. Look at our third syllable. It is closed. Cobs. Whole word. Sled, bub, cobs. Sled, bub, cobs. Okay, I would like you to read these 3 words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read the 3 words to you. Pause the video, go. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is our fluency practice, okay? And I'm really excited about this one. Okay, I have a new fluency practice for you. Let's see if I can try and move my face out of the way. That's probably about as good as we're getting. Okay, this could be really confusing if you read it with 0 expression. Okay, just like this. I thought a thought, but it wasn't the thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I wouldn't have thought so much. Whew! There's a reason that good readers read with expression, because it also helps you comprehend what you're reading, because that's not how we talk. Okay, when we talk to each other, we enunciate things. Sometimes our voice goes up and sometimes it goes down, and that's how we need to read to be able to understand what we're reading. And so I thought that this is actually a tongue twister. I thought this would be a good one to use so that you could practice your voice going up and your voice going down to help with comprehension. Okay, I specifically, so this has a lot of thoughts in it. A thought, the thought, I thought. Okay, I specifically made the thoughts that you should say going down in blue, and the thoughts that your voice needs to go up are in green. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, I'm going to go up when my voice goes up, and I'm going to point down when my voice goes down. Okay, so green, blue, green, blue. Okay, I thought a thought, but it wasn't the thought I thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much. Okay, I'll do it one more time. I thought a thought, but it wasn't the thought I thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much. Okay, and I color coded it to try and help you get the visual as well. Okay, so on green you go up, in blue you go down. Okay, I would like you to try to read this with a partner 2 times. Okay, I would like you and your partner to try and read it to each other. Okay, it might be a little tricky. We'll practice it a couple times. Good luck. Okay, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.